Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Pack like a pro. Airline baggage hacks and tips. Packing smart can save you time, money, and stress on your next trip. With airlines enforcing strict baggage rules, mastering efficient packing techniques is a must. Here are 10 actionable hacks and tips to help you pack like a pro and breeze through your journey. Before packing, familiarize yourself with your airline's baggage rules. Check size and weight limits for carry-on and checked bags. Airlines like Southwest allow 2 free checked bags, while budget carriers like Ryanair charge for almost everything. Staying informed prevents surprises and extra fees at the airport. 2. Invest in quality luggage. Lightweight, durable luggage can make all the difference. Opt for hard-shell suitcases with built-in weight scales or expandable features. Spinner wheels offer smooth mobility, especially in crowded airports. Choose bags that comply with your airline's size limits to avoid gate check hassles. 3. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are a game changer for organization. They help compress clothing, maximize space, and keep items neatly arranged. Assign each cube a category: shirts, pants, or accessories, to make unpacking effortless at your destination. 4. Roll. Don't fold. Rolling clothes saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Roll similar items together and secure them with rubber bands or place them directly into packing cubes. This technique is particularly effective for soft fabrics like t-shirts, jeans, and activewear. 5. Wear bulky items on the plane. Save precious luggage space by wearing heavy or bulky items, such as coats, boots, or sweaters. Layering is especially handy if traveling to colder destinations. Once on the plane, you can store these items in the overhead bin or use them as makeshift pillows. 6. Use the personal item wisely. Most airlines allow 1 personal item in addition to a carry-on. Use a spacious backpack or tote that fits under the seat. Pack essentials like electronics, medications, travel documents, and snacks. Some travelers even sneak in extra clothing items to maximize their allowance. 7. Master the art of minimalism. Pack only what you truly need. Stick to versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. For instance, choose neutral-colored tops and bottoms that work for multiple occasions. Limit shoes to 2 pairs, 1 casual and 1 formal, to save space and weight. 8. Decant liquids and use travel bottles. Airlines restrict liquids and carry-ons to 3.4 Oz, 100 ml per container. Transfer toiletries into travel-sized bottles and store them in a clear, resealable bag. Silicone bottles are durable and leak-proof, perfect for your favorite products. Consider solid alternatives like shampoo bars or toothpaste tablets. 9. Weigh your bags at home. Avoid surprises at check-in by weighing your bags before leaving. Use a portable luggage scale to ensure you're within limits. If overweight, redistribute items between your carry-on and checked bag. Knowing your bag's weight helps you avoid hefty fees. 10. Pack a just-in-case kit always. Pack a small kit with essentials like an extra set of clothes, toiletries, and chargers in your carry-on. This is invaluable in case your checked luggage is delayed or lost. Additionally, keep important documents, cash, and valuables in your personal item for safekeeping. Bonus tips for special situations. Traveling with kids. Use compression bags for their clothes and pack small toys or books in your carry-on to keep them entertained. Business trips. Opt for wrinkle-resistant clothing and invest in a garment folder for suits. Long-term travel. Consider shipping extra items to your destination to lighten your load. Conclusion: packing efficiently is an art that combines strategy and creativity. By following these hacks, you can maximize your luggage space, minimize fees, and enjoy a hassle-free travel experience. Whether you're jetting off for a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, packing like a pro ensures your trip starts on the right note. Safe travels. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.